Hey car lovers! Want to make every trip smoother, safer, and way more fun? I've found 30 coolest car gadgets on Amazon that do just that. From saving time to boosting comfort. Trust me, the last one will blow your mind. Stay tuned. Number 1. Auto Trash Bag Refill Pack. The Auto Trash Bag Refill Pack is the perfect solution to keep your vehicle tidy. These compact, disposable bags are designed specifically for cars and attach easily to your center console or back of the seat, providing a designated spot for wrappers, tissues, and snack debris. What makes this gadget stand out? It's all about convenience. Instead of messy trash accumulating, you can quickly toss garbage into these bags, helping maintain a fresh, odor-free environment. Millions of drivers swear by this product because it transforms the chaos of clutter into a clean, inviting space. Number 2. Pocket Tire Pressure Gauge. The Pocket Tire Pressure Gauge is a small, portable device that allows you to check your tire pressure accurately in seconds. Just attach it to your valve stem, and it displays the pressure on a clear, easy-to-read gauge. This gadget solves the common problem of maintaining proper tire pressure, which affects fuel efficiency, tire longevity, and safety. The key benefit here? Peace of mind. Knowing your tires are at optimal pressure makes every drive safer and more efficient. Thousands of drivers keep one in their car because it's an affordable, quick way to stay on top of vehicle maintenance. Number 3. Reflective Safety Trunk Flag. The Reflective Safety Trunk Flag is a bright, reflective flag that attaches securely to your vehicle's trunk or rear. When headlights hit it, the reflective material shines brightly, alerting other drivers to your presence. This gadget addresses the critical issue of visibility, especially during emergencies, breakdowns, or nighttime parking. It's an inexpensive but effective safety feature that significantly reduces the risk of accidents by making your vehicle more noticeable from a distance. The main benefit? Enhanced safety and peace of mind. Thousands of drivers keep one in their trunk because they prioritize safety for themselves and their loved ones. Number 4. Portable Jump Pack Case Cover. The Portable Jump Pack Case Cover is a protective sleeve designed to encase your jump starter, shielding it from scratches, dust, and minor impacts when not in use. This gadget tackles the problem of fragile jump starters getting damaged in storage or transit. The cover also makes transportation more convenient. The key benefit? Reliability. Knowing your jump starter is protected and always ready offers peace of mind. Thousands of drivers trust this simple accessory to keep their emergency tools safe and accessible. Number 5. Anti-Slip Dashboard Sticky Pad. The Anti-Slip Dashboard Sticky Pad is a silicone mat that keeps your valuables securely in place. Just place it on your dashboard or console, and items stay put, even during sharp turns or bumpy rides. This gadget solves the common problem of loose items causing distractions or falling onto the floor. Simply wipe it clean when needed, and it's ready for use again. The main benefit? Convenience and safety. Thousands of drivers rely on this simple, effective solution to keep their car tidy and their mind at ease. Number 6. UV Window Tint Film Kit. The UV Window Tint Film Kit is a DIY solution that lets you easily apply tinted film to your car windows. It blocks out UV rays, reduces glare, and enhances privacy, all without professional installation. This gadget addresses the common problem of intense sunlight heating up your vehicle and fading your upholstery. The key benefit? Enhanced comfort and protection. This tint film keeps your car cooler, protects your skin, and preserves your interior's appearance. Thousands of car owners love how simple it is to upgrade their vehicle's comfort while adding a sleek, personalized look. Number 7. Rubber Car Door Edge Guards. The Rubber Car Door Edge guards are protective strips that stick onto the edges of your doors, creating a cushion that absorbs minor impacts and prevents paint damage when opening in tight spaces. This gadget solves the problem of accidental hits in parking lots, garages, or narrow streets. It's easy to install, just peel and stick, and fits most vehicles. The flexible rubber material also withstands weather and minor impacts. The main benefit? Preservation. Protecting your car's edges helps maintain its value and appearance longer. Thousands of drivers add these guards to avoid costly repairs and keep their vehicle looking brand new. Number 8. Portable Urine Cleanup Kit. The Portable Urine Cleanup Kit is a compact, effective set that makes cleanup quick and easy. It includes enzyme-based cleaners, odor neutralizers, and microfiber towels, everything you need to tackle messes on the go. This gadget addresses the persistent problem of lingering odors and stains that regular cleaning products can't eliminate. It's safe for upholstery and designed to restore your vehicle's interior to its fresh, clean state. The key benefit? Confidence. With this kit, you can handle messes promptly, keeping your car smelling fresh and feeling comfortable. Thousands of pet owners and parents rely on it to maintain a clean, inviting vehicle. Number 9. Car Seat Gap Light Strip. The car seat gap. Light strip is a flexible LED strip that fits into the gap between your seat and console. When you open your door or turn on the light, it automatically illuminates, lighting up those dark, hard-to-reach spots. This gadget solves the annoyance of lost items in your car's crevices. It provides bright, adjustable lighting that makes it easy to find your belongings, especially at night. Installation is simple. The main benefit? Convenience. No more rummaging or risking further drops. Thousands of drivers love how this small addition makes their car more functional and reduces everyday frustrations. Number 10. Spiral Rubber Antenna Replacement. Looking to upgrade your car's look and improve radio reception? The Spiral Rubber Antenna Replacement is a sleek, flexible antenna that screws onto your existing radio mount. Its unique spiral design adds a modern touch, and it's built to resist weather damage. This gadget solves the common issue of weak radio signals caused by old or damaged antennas. It's easy to install, plus its durable rubber construction withstands rain, snow, and sun. The key benefit? Better reception and style. Many drivers choose this replacement to enhance their vehicle's aesthetic and enjoy clearer radio signals. Number 11. Folding Wireless Car Mouse. The folding wireless car mouse is a sleek, compact device that fits easily in your hand and connects via Bluetooth. It features a foldable design, making it ultra-portable, and offers smooth navigation for your car's multimedia or GPS screens. This gadget addresses the frustration of limited control options in modern vehicles. Its wireless design keeps your dashboard clutter-free, and the foldable feature makes storage effortless. The main benefit? Convenience and ease of use. You can navigate your entertainment system or make quick adjustments comfortably. Thousands of drivers rely on this tool for a more intuitive, frustration-free driving experience. Number 12. Retractable Child Car Mirror. The retractable child car mirror is a large, adjustable mirror that attaches to your backseat headrest, allowing you to see your child clearly through your rearview mirror. It retracts neatly when not in use, preventing clutter. This gadget solves the problem of constantly turning around or craning your neck to check on your child. The key benefit? Confidence. You can keep your eyes on the road while still keeping an eye on your little one. Thousands of parents feel more relaxed knowing they can easily check on their kids without distractions. Number 13. Adjustable Steering Column Extender. The Adjustable Steering Column Extender is a simple device that extends your steering wheel's reach, allowing for a more relaxed and ergonomic driving position. It's adjustable for a perfect fit and easy to install. This gadget addresses the problem of awkward or strained postures, especially for taller drivers or those with limited reach. Using it, you can customize your steering position for maximum comfort, reducing fatigue on long drives. The main benefit? Comfort and control. With a more natural driving posture, you'll enjoy longer trips without discomfort. Thousands of drivers have found relief with this affordable, easy-to-install extender. Number 14. Clip-on Cup Warmer USB. The Clip-on Cup Warmer USB is a handy device that clips onto your vehicle's air vent, using USB power to keep your drinks warm. It's compact, easy to use, and works with any standard cup or mug. This gadget solves the common problem of lukewarm beverages ruining your morning or road trip. Simply clip it onto your vent, plug into your car's USB port, and enjoy warm drinks at any time. The key benefit? Comfort and convenience. Thousands of drivers love how this simple device turns their vehicle into a mobile cafe. Number 15. All-in-One Survival Toolkit. The All-in-One Survival Toolkit packs essential tools like a flashlight, multi-tool, knife, and tire pressure gauge into a compact case. It's designed for emergencies, roadside repairs, or outdoor adventures. This gadget solves the problem of being caught unprepared during breakdowns or emergencies. With this kit, you have everything you need to handle minor repairs, provide first aid, or signal for help. The main benefit? Peace of mind. It's a must-have for safety-conscious drivers. Thousands of drivers keep one in their trunk, trusting it to help them stay safe and self-sufficient. Number 16. Bluetooth-enabled car key finder. The Bluetooth-enabled car key finder is a small device that attaches to your keychain. Using your smartphone app, you can locate your keys instantly. This gadget solves the common problem of misplaced keys. With a simple press of a button on your phone, it triggers a loud ringtone or shows the last known location on a map. The key benefit? Time and stress saved. No more frantic searches or wasting precious minutes. Thousands of drivers swear by this device, making their mornings smoother and reducing the daily hassle. Number 17. Rooftop Cargo Organizer Bag. The Rooftop Cargo Organizer Bag is a durable, weatherproof carrier that attaches securely to your vehicle's roof rack. It's perfect for luggage, sports gear, or outdoor equipment, freeing up space inside your car. With this bag, you can carry more gear comfortably and securely, even during long road trips or outdoor adventures. The main benefit? Increased capacity and organization. No more cramming or sacrificing comfort. Thousands of drivers rely on this cargo bag for smooth, hassle-free trips. Its waterproof design ensures your belongings stay dry in any weather. Number 18. Portable Car Steam Cleaner. Keeping your car spotless can be a chore, but the Portable Car Steam Cleaner makes it easy. This handheld device uses steam to deep clean upholstery, carpets, and hard surfaces without chemicals. It's perfect for removing stains, odors, and dirt. It's safe for all interior surfaces and provides a thorough clean that leaves your car smelling fresh and looking new. The key benefit? Freshness and hygiene. With this steamer, you can maintain a clean, healthy environment inside your vehicle. Thousands of car owners swear by it for quick, effective cleaning that saves time and effort. Number 19. Seatbelt Cutter Window Breaker Combo. The Seatbelt Cutter Window Breaker Combo is a compact tool designed for quick escape. It features a sharp blade to cut through seatbelts and a pointed tip to shatter windows, ensuring you can evacuate swiftly if needed. This gadget addresses the critical need for safety in accidents or entrapment situations. It's easy to access and use, even in stressful moments. Hanging conveniently in your vehicle, it's ready to serve whenever you need it. The main benefit? Safety and peace of mind. Thousands of drivers keep one nearby, trusting it to help them escape danger quickly. Number 20. Emergency Seat Anchor Strap. The Emergency Seat Anchor Strap is designed to secure car seats more firmly by anchoring them directly to the vehicle's seat frame. It ensures maximum stability during sudden stops or accidents. This gadget solves the problem of loose or improperly installed car seats, which can compromise safety. It's easy to attach and compatible with most car seats, providing an extra layer of security for your little one. The key benefit? Confidence and safety. Thousands of parents trust this simple strap to keep their kids safe and comfortable during every trip. Number 21. Car Interior Odor Eliminator. The Car Interior Odor Eliminator is a compact spray or diffuser that neutralizes bad smells at the source. Simply spray it inside your vehicle or use the diffuser to keep your car smelling fresh and inviting at all times. This gadget tackles the common problem of lingering odors that traditional air fresheners only mask. It works on a molecular level to eliminate smells completely. The main benefit? Freshness and confidence. Driving in a clean-smelling car boosts your mood. Thousands of drivers keep one in their glove box or cup holder because a fresh-smelling car is a happier, healthier space. Number 22. Removable Window Privacy Shield. The Removable Window Privacy Shield is a flexible, easy-to-install film or sunshade. It attaches to your windows with suction cups or static cling and can be removed whenever needed. This gadget addresses the problem of prying eyes or sun damage to your interior. It's perfect for car camping, roadside rest, or daily use, giving you control over your privacy and comfort. The key benefit? Privacy and protection. Keep your valuables out of sight and your cabin cooler during hot days. Thousands of drivers rely on these shields to enhance their vehicle's comfort and security. Number 23. Windshield Snow Shade Foil. The Windshield Snow Shade Foil is a reflective, easy-to-install cover that shields your windshield from snow, ice, and frost. Just place it over your windshield and secure the edges. This gadget solves the tedious task of scraping ice every morning. It prevents snow and frost from sticking, saving you time and effort. Its reflective surface also helps keep your interior cooler in summer. The main benefit? Convenience and time saving. No more scraping or waiting for defrosting. Just remove the foil and drive. Thousands of drivers love how this simple accessory makes winter mornings smoother and less stressful. Number 24. Silicone Ice Scraper Pad. The Silicone Ice Scraper Pad combines the functionality of an ice scraper with the flexibility and durability of silicone. It easily breaks up ice and frost on your windshield while being gentle on glass. This gadget addresses the problem of traditional ice scrapers that can scratch or damage your windshield. Its flexible design allows you to reach every corner without risking damage. The key benefit? Safe, effective de-icing. It's quick to use, easy to store, and durable for multiple seasons. Thousands of drivers trust this tool to make winter mornings safer and more convenient. Number 25. Universal Rear View Mirror. The Universal Rear View Mirror is an adjustable, extendable mirror that provides a wider, clearer view of the rear of your vehicle. It's easy to attach to your existing mirror or headrest. This gadget solves blind spot issues and improves overall awareness on the road. Its adjustable arm and wide-angle lens make it versatile for different vehicle sizes. The main benefit? Safety and peace of mind. With a clearer view behind you, you can change lanes, back up, and maneuver more confidently. Thousands of drivers rely on this mirror to enhance their safety and driving comfort. Number 26. Roof Rainwater Diversion Kit. The Roof Rainwater Diversion Kit is a set of specially designed channels that guide rainwater away from critical areas, preventing pooling and leaks. It's easy to install on your vehicle's roof or sunroof edges. This gadget addresses the problem of water seepage and damage caused by improper drainage. The channels are durable, weather-resistant, and designed to fit most vehicles. The key benefit? Protection and longevity. Keeping water away from vulnerable seams and edges prolongs your car's appearance and structural integrity. Thousands of drivers trust this simple, effective solution to safeguard their vehicle. Number 27. Quick Fit Car Door Seal Tape. The Quick Fit Car Door Seal Tape is a self-adhesive, flexible foam strip that seals gaps around your doors and windows. It easily conforms to uneven surfaces and provides a tight, weatherproof seal. This gadget solves the problem of unwanted air drafts and noise pollution inside your vehicle. It also helps keep rain and dust out. Installation is straightforward. The main benefit? Comfort and efficiency. By sealing out drafts, you'll enjoy a quieter, more insulated cabin. Thousands of drivers use this tape to improve their driving experience, especially in extreme weather. Number 28. Multifunction Window Breaker Tool. The Multifunction Window Breaker Tool combines a hardened steel hammer for shattering windows with a seatbelt cutter for cutting through restraints. Compact and easy to store in your glove box or center console, this gadget addresses the critical need for a reliable escape tool in case of accidents or emergencies. Its durable construction ensures it works when you need it most. The key benefit? Safety and preparedness. Keeping one in your vehicle can be a lifesaver in critical moments. Thousands of drivers trust this tool for peace of mind during every journey. It's a small device with life-saving potential. Number 29. Pet Seat Restraint Seatbelt. The Pet Seat Restraint Seatbelt keeps your furry friend safe and secure during car ride, attaching easily to your pet's harness and your vehicle's seatbelt. This gadget solves the problem of pets moving freely inside the car, which can be dangerous for both driver and pet. The main benefit? Peace of mind. You can focus on the road knowing your pet is secure and comfortable. Thousands of pet owners rely on this seatbelt to make traveling safer and more enjoyable for their furry companions. Number 30. Rear View Camera License Plate Bracket. Getting a clear view behind your vehicle is easier with the Rear View Camera License Plate Bracket. This device replaces your standard license plate frame with a built-in backup camera. This gadget solves the blind spot problem and the risk of backing into obstacles or pedestrians. It's easy to install. Simply replace your existing license plate holder and connects to your vehicle's display or a portable monitor. The key benefit? Safer reversing and parking. With a clear view of what's behind, you can park more confidently and avoid accidents. Thousands of drivers are upgrading their vehicles with this smart tech. Thanks for hanging out. These gadgets are all about upgrading your drive without breaking the bank. And don't miss that final must-have item. It's a total game changer. Hit subscribe and keep your rides awesome.